Right, hi everyone, welcome back. Now, it has been quite a while since I made a portfolio update, and there's been a few changes to the portfolio in that time. Mainly, it's a lot more concentrated now, and as you can see, yeah, nearly 40 shares of Tesla, 210 of Palantir, and the 140 Bitcoin ETP. Now, the Bitcoin ETP and Tesla, they're long-term holds. Palantir, this is, a short-term sort of thing. I had a price target after analysing the company myself. I had a price target, which was, anything like around 12, under 12.90 or whatever, I'd be in. So average price there at $12.88, and that was my buy trigger for that. So I've got a target in mind for when that price hits. It will be getting sold. So that one you might not see, depending on the price. Obviously, if it goes lower, it'll be in there a while. But it's not a long-term hold for me. Obviously, if there's a crash or something, I'll probably be keeping hold of it because I won't be selling anything as a loss. But yeah, so really the portfolio's just been super concentrated now. I know a lot of people will be thinking, what the fuck is he doing? He's lost his mind. But, this is sort of not for everybody, but for me, I had quite a few holdings, not loads, but I had things like Argo blockchain and, my intuition is not, telling me good things about that company. Even analysing the company looks okay, but that company's very concentrated to certain things, so that one was not for me. But with things like Tesla, I feel very passionate about this, and maybe passionate's the wrong word. I feel I've got a lot of conviction in this stock. At this company, I don't really agree with everything Tesla do. I'm not really a massive fan of the company, really, or the brand. But you don't have to be an investor. It's more like I've personally analysed this company, and I can see, and also bear in mind the trends and things that are coming in the future. This company's, to me, it's only going one way, and that's really why I'd quite like my money parked, if you pardon the pun, in this company. I don't think it's just going to be automotive based. A lot of the revenue will be software, and there's going to be energy and potentially insurance, and there's lots and lots of things, and I think it will surprise quite a lot of people really over the long term. Palantir, I don't really, I've looked at the balance sheet, I've analysed it myself. I was very happy with the price that I got it for, but again, that's not going to be a long term one. The Bitcoin ETP, I hold Bitcoin, away from trading 212. So this is just sort of one for the future for a tax free amount really. And obviously this is in sell mode only. You can't even buy any, which is very frustrating, because I would have transferred over a couple of years. I'd have transferred all my Bitcoin into here, but that is how it is really. If we look at percentages, it's 80% Tesla, which again, that's not going to be for everybody. But you invest to what your sort of risk appetite is, and what helps you sleep better at night. I've got, like I said, I've got lots of conviction in this, and if it went to zero, obviously it wouldn't be very nice. But I've made that decision. I feel very comfortable in leaving my money there, and obviously once I liquidate the Palantir, that's going to be even higher of a percentage. But that's just how it is really. So that's the portfolio, how it's changed over the last few months. I did sell the S&P 500 as well, because I'd always planned to keep something like this alongside my sort of high conviction stocks or businesses really. But yeah, I sold this for about £65, I think, something like that. I didn't have an awful amount in it, just a thousand or so. But I just sort of thought to myself, what's the point in me, holding things in my portfolio that I've not got massive conviction over, and obviously I would regret that if the companies that I feel really strongly about for the future, would appreciate in value, and then I had money just sat in an index. So that's how it is really. But I'm going to try and keep more up to date videos. But obviously, there's not that much to tell. There is another company I'm looking at the moment that I've spent quite a bit of time analysing, but that's probably again gonna just be a sort of short term thing. But if I do invest in that, I will keep you updated. But yeah, we'll see how this portfolio goes over the next year. I will check in and keep regular updates on here, and also possibly might do some sort of stock market news, sort of live streams or something like that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far to the video, yeah, if you'd like to give it a like and subscribe for more content to come.